In your Windows computer, if you have installed Microsoft Clipchamp, then whatever video clip that you see right here, you can send it directly to Microsoft Clipchamp for editing from the Explorer itself. So if I were to go around and right click on this video, you can see Edit with Clipchamp is an option. If I were to go around and click right here, then what happens is that it opens up Microsoft Clipchamp right here and the video file is directly loaded out as a new project. So you can see that this is what you have. Let me just go ahead and close it, and same goes with the photos as well. So if I were to go around onto, let's say, I'm going to go to the images folder. So let's just go to the images folder. I can simply right click on an image right here, and you can see Edit with Clipchamp is an option. If I were to go around and click right here, then what happens is that it opens up Microsoft Clipchamp right here and imports the media out onto the timeline directly by creating a new project. And that is how you can import out contents directly to Microsoft Clipchamp from Explorer Windows. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.